power of the Black Panther will be stripped away. Hey guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Diamond here, also known as Diamond Denise. So what do you guys think? I'm going to Africa. I'm going to Wakanda. I kind of just created this cute hairstyle for you guys, turban and these two little braids, and I showed you how I did it. If you think this is really cute, make sure you go ahead and keep watching so you can find out how I did it. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe, like this video, please share this video, and don't forget to leave those comments. If you want to see this makeup look, I did not record it, but I will record it for you guys. So leave me some comments down below so that I know that you want to see how I created this cute sunset inspired makeup look. I got this head wrap from CC's Closet, New York City. I will leave all the info down below. I think this is a XOLA wrap and they cost like 20 bucks. So that is that. This shirt, I will leave her information down below, but I got it made for me and someone that is back home. Miss Angie made this shirt. I will leave her info down below if you want to order one from her. Yeah, so make sure you stay tuned so you can find out how I created this look. Okay, so there's two ways that I want to actually tie this turban. I can't really decide, so I'm gonna probably just do both, and whichever one looks best, that's what we'll go with. And I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair. So this is like my Wakanda inspired style, and I'm missing like two things. So my hair, I've been deep conditioning it and it's ready to wash out so I can style it. But we're gonna take maybe this much out on this side. If you like my makeup look, y'all, I'm sorry I did not record it. I did not film it. The reason why I didn't film it is because this look ended up being like a last minute thing. The first look that I was doing, I was like, I am not liking this. So then I just like took a minute, sat down, thought about it, and made this look. So if you do like this look, I will definitely create a video for you guys. Just let me know that you actually like it, and I will definitely do that. So I'm taking out one section on one side. Did you love the movie Wakanda? It's not even Wakanda. Did y'all like Black Panther or not? Because I really did. It really inspired me. So I'm going to braid this piece. We're gonna do the same thing to this side, or should we just do one? No, we need two. Yeah, we'll do two, and if we don't like it, we can pull it up. Oh, I didn't think about just having one. No, I'm gonna have two. So now I'm going to take all my hair and we're just going to put it into a nice big ponytail on top of my head. Nothing fancy, you're not even going to see it. Although, this would be super cute. Okay. a hair jewel and clip it on one of these. Went and got my other wrap. So I basically just tied it one time right here, and then I'm gonna just tie it again and tie it again, wrap, then tie it. And I'll put the link in the description box, and also what wrap it is. Okay, maybe that looks better because I think I wasn't liking the colors. You really can just put it on your head and kind of do what you want to do with it, honestly. And I'm gonna pin this other side right back here, just so it's secure. Okay, I just really made this up, but I like how it turned out. Kind of got like a little bow effect going on. Okay, and now we're gonna take our Eco Styler gel, and I'm gonna put it on the edges. These are the only edges you can see, so these are the only edges I'm gonna worry about. You can see this a little bit, but not much. And we're just gonna make the baby hairs look good. This is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you like it. Hopefully the video tutorial is very easy to follow. Like I said, all I did was take it, wrap it once, or wrap it twice, then I pulled it around as you saw, pulled it through, and then stretched it out. So you really can just be creative with your hair wraps, play with them, and it will just come out like this. I guess this was kind of on a whim. If you like the makeup look, don't forget to just let me know in the comments down below, and I will definitely create a video for you guys. Yeah, the reason why I didn't do a video is because I started doing one look, it didn't work out, then I was like, oh, I don't know what I want to do, and then I just came up with this. So, and it turned out good, and I was like, dang, Diamond, you should have recorded all your mistakes. But whatever, that's beside the point. So please go ahead and make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, please share this video, please leave me some comments down below, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and make sure you go see Black Panther, Wakanda forever. It was a really great movie. It's very inspiring, very encouraging movie, and it inspired me to create this look, this cute little hairstyle that you can wear anytime. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Did you guys not watch Black Panther? Oh my god, I did. I loved it. I loved it. I loved it. It was so good.